Hi everyone, this would be of interest to those of you who use the ID number and have numbers for their clients. So we have created a filter and a sorting ability for you to filter and sort your customers depending on their numbers. So now if I'm going to go to editing my filter, what you're going to notice is this client ID number descending, and then clients would get, whether you select descending or ascending, clients would get sorted in this way. Of course, you can also use this ID number not only as a sorting condition, but also as a search condition. So you can have a look at clients with numbers above 100, below 100, etc., etc., and use this as a filter and way of sorting your customers. Well, thank you very much for watching. This has been Tanas with LegalTrek, and I hope you use our new feature.